This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming licenses and app versions. Sign into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center with your admin account and verify Copilot or an eligible E3/E5 plan is assigned to you and target users. Once done, open Excel and update to the latest insiders or current channel build so Copilot features appear. Make sure tenant-level Copilot settings are enabled in Microsoft 365 Admin. If not, toggle them on and assign feature access to specific user groups before proceeding to configuration. Next, configure Copilot access and Excel integration. In the Admin Center, enable the Copilot service and choose Rollout Scope, Pilot Group, or Entire Organization, then Publish. Use Azure AD or Intune to deploy policies that grant Copilot permissions to users and register any required service principals. This ensures authentication flows correctly. In Excel, enable the Copilot add-in and AI features from Options add-ins, then restart Excel so the UI components load. Once visible, confirm feature behavior in a test workbook to validate permissions and connectivity. Finish by validating Copilot end-to-end. Open Excel, launch the Copilot pane, and run multiple prompts on sample worksheets to ensure it suggests formulas, summaries, or data transformations as expected. If everything responds, document the rollout steps and communicate user guidance. If Copilot doesn't appear or returns errors, check 3 things first: license assignment, Excel build/version, and tenant service toggles. Also verify network egress and conditional access rules. Correct those, restart Excel, and retest. This resolves most deployment issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.